I'm going like this. Oh, we can go here to the
Yeah,
right.
go to the right. So now
But you
it's
know, I prefer
clean. The
highway, no?
road is clean. Yeah.
Next to the road is not clean.
Yeah, next to the road is not clean, but look, they clean with salt. Kaya ganun siya
Even the
kalinis.
bikes have no problem.
So pag nilagyan ng salt, nagiging ganyan na siya. So ayan yung walang salt, nakastay pa rin yung snow. Ayan. So wala nang snow, tapos na. Hindi na maumulan kanina, kagabi. I don't know if,
Noisy girls.
ewan ko kung uulan mamaya. So kaya nakita nyo, yung bike line nilagyan din ng salt, kaya malinis. So yung mga hindi nilagyan ng salt, yun pa may snow. But they clean of course, kasi para walang aksidente. Ganong kaganda at kagaling dito. Ayan, thank you so much sa gobyerno. Pinalilinis talaga nila yung kalsada. Ayan o. Yan yung linis ng kalsada, yung mga dadaanan ng bisikleta. That's a bicycle line, sa normal line. Linis na linis.